So this is my Chaos Ball game. You can see I have the gate right on the front of my character. I've also created, if you can catch them, right, oh, there's a couple zipping around. They're faster, they're smaller, they're little black Chaos Balls. With this gate on the front, you can catch Chaos Balls like that and get rid of them so they're not making as much chaos. Let's see if we can't beat this. So I initially wanted to create a level where you could platform at the same time as you play this. However, my goals have been somewhat thwarted. Oh, Jesus, moving so fast. For the life of me, I cannot get. Oh, there we go. I cannot get this. Respawn script to work. I don't know why. Everything looks like it should be working, but hey, it's not always the case with code. So I'm going to do my best to not fall in right now and ruin this game. Oh my god. But definitely jumping between platforms. Oh my god. Oh my god. Little black Chaos Ball is still bouncing around. And you can see I changed the size and the shape of the paddle is now concave, convex, I suppose. You can jump, and this is enough of a jump to get you across the different platforms. Just, oh my god. Can we finish this, please? Please. Don't want to be here any longer. So, I'm just going to show you my script for the respawn. I don't know why it's not working. It's really, oh my gosh, damn it. It's frustrating because this is the exact same script we used for hour 9. And for whatever reason, so close. For whatever reason, it just doesn't, not want to work. There are no compiling errors or anything. It's just when I dip into the, I dip into the water, I don't respawn, and I don't know why. Anyway, this ball is going to be difficult. I'm just going to show you that you can platform. It's all play tested. Oh my god, alright. Well, you can jump in between. And ideally, if you fall into the water, you would respawn. Again, I don't know why it's not working. There is, oh my god. There is a respawn point right in the middle of this. I don't know why. When I jump in here, it just does not respawn me. And for the life of me, I cannot figure out why. You can see here, the script is clean. This is the script that I have on my water. I can't show you really because I cropped this poorly, but if I click on water, you can see that the script is here. And you can just see the edge of it, Game Master. It is selected, and Game Manager. Game Manager, if I click on that, shows the spawn point, which is here. Check to see if it was clipping on the ground, which it isn't. I just don't know why it's not working. It's just been frustrating me. Here's the code for, no, that's not it. This is the code for if you hit the water where it's sending you in accordance to this, on trigger enter, right? And this, the water has convex is trigger and has the respawn script on it. So I don't know why it's not working. But the rest of the game works. I have 2 different kinds of chaos balls. I have a uniquely sized and uniquely shaped paddle. So that's 3 things. You need chaos ball, size of the paddle, shape of the paddle. You can tell just by looking. I designed a pretty elaborate outside area. That's 4. There's one more. The gate. The gate on front is 5. So I accomplished 5 of the achievements. I would have done a completely custom thing if I could have got the water to work, but for whatever reason, I just simply, I can't. If you know what's going on and you can tell me, I would love to patch it up and resubmit this, but I've spent, at this point, I think 6 hours working on this. You can tell I definitely took my time sculpting and painting the train outside. But, yeah, this water is just not responding to me, and I don't know why. Really would like to figure that out, because otherwise I have a pretty tight little game. So, that's it, and this is my submission.